Good morning. It's what, 7:45 in the morning now, and we are on our way to Canberra Airport to start our long journey to France to escape the smoke and to visit my family. So it's I think it's about 10 p.m. coming up for 10 p.m. in France now on Friday evening. We don't get there till Sunday evening, so we've got almost 2 full days of travelling ahead of us. So,
and if you see behind me, you can see a lot of smoke out the window.
Yeah, it's really smoky today, really smoky. So first flight is Canberra to Melbourne, then we've got what, 6 hours or something in Melbourne Airport, then we're going Melbourne, Abu Dhabi, Paris, and then we've got another 6-hour wait in Paris for our bus to take us to tour, and that's where my mum is going to come and pick us up in 2 days time. So we will vlog on the way and let you know how we're going.
Yeah.
Smoke inside.
Yeah, check out how smoky it is. Like, you can't see anything. Normally you can see the hills and everything in the distance here. Yeah, you can just make out.
Look down that way.
So hopefully, I think the flights haven't been delayed with the smoke so far, so let's hope it stays that way. But at least we've got a 6-hour gap between this flight and our next flight in case there is a delay. Okay, we're all checked in. We're at Canberra Airport, which is, it's huge. This is Canberra Airport. It's a lot bigger than it used to be. And it's just so quiet. It's so quiet. We walked up to the check-in desk. We walked up to security. It's really quiet. This is our gate. Our plane isn't here yet, so we've got about an hour and a half to be board. We're checked in the whole way through to Paris. We've got all our boarding passes. Our luggage is all checked in, so we won't see that again until we get to Paris. We better see it again when we get to Paris. Yeah, so this is the first wait for the first flight. Oh, I've got coffee now. Thanks, honey. So we're on our first plane, so we're here for an hour and 10 minutes from Canberra to Melbourne.
Yeah.
You excited? Yeah? Happy? Yeah, you've got to be comfy on a flight. We're on our next plane. We're on Etihad Airways flight from Melbourne to Abu Dhabi, which is 14 hours. 14 long hours. Okay, we finally arrived in Paris. It's about 8:30 in the morning, about over a day and a half since we left home, and we're here just in time for the sunrise. And now we've got a 6-hour wait until our bus down to Tours. Hey, good morning. So we arrived late last night. Our bus got into Tours about 6:30 p.m. and so we're back at my mum's house here by 8 o'clock. We had a bit of food and went straight to bed and slept for, well, I slept for 12 hours. I was so tired. So this is Mum's house in the winter. This is the valley where we watch the sunsets. Look, you can't even see the valley today because it's all foggy.
You can't even see
it's
anything.
About 2 or 3 degrees at the minute.
Hello,
So this is
there's the barn over there.
Mum's house in winter. It's beautiful. So we missed it. Yesterday was beautiful, bright sunshine, so it's all foggy today. What are we doing now, Lil?
We're going food shopping and just shopping and...
Yeah, we're heading into Châtellerault to go food shopping and find some gluten-free stuff for Lil. Lil, how are you feeling? Are you tired? Little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
Not too bad?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let's get in the car and go food shopping. Hi, it's New Year's Eve. It's New Year's Eve. It's kind of exciting. And this is my mum, Sue. This is the person I got all my creative genes from.
Oh yeah.
To encourage my sewing, or taught me to sew.
Yeah.
Encourage my creativity. And it's still very, well, you're very creative yourself. And today, what are we doing, Lil?
Making masks.
We're going to decorate masks. We're going to a local bar for New Year's Eve tonight. And it said, what was the French word?
Déguisé.
So
Disguised.
come in disguise. So when we were out shopping yesterday, we found these plain masks, and we've got a selection of little stickers. We've got gel pens. We've got ribbons. You've raided Mum's craft stash, haven't you?
Christmas
Yep.
decoration
Yeah.
bits and pieces as well.
We have pom-pom thingies, whatever
All
they're
sorts. We've got a
called.
glue gun, and we're going to decorate our masks to wear out for New Year's Eve tonight.
Let's go do that.
You already are.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've started.
No. Hi.
So Lil, you've done your design. So Lil's
Yeah.
planned hers out on paper already, and you're already drawing it.
Yeah, and I have this.
Mum's planning her design
Mine's
out.
on paper. Now,
That's beautiful.
try to get
You
it
have
on
to
the
do
mask.
yours.
Excellent. So this is all going to be crystals. Oh, thank you,
You have to
sweetie.
do yours.
Crystals and
Yes.
blob,
I will-
pen blobs.
Gorgeous.
You can use a duckwood pencil or something.
Yeah, let's draw. Can you pass me one of the masks, please, Lil? I'm just going to draw around mine so I can do my plan. I think I might do mine like a firework. We finished our masks.
Here they are.
So here's how they look.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa! We're ready for a New Year's Eve party.
We are.
Happy? Yours is so cute. Are these not annoying you?
No?
We all look like lovely fireworks.
Don't we just? Bright, sparkly.
Hey!
Ready for the New Year.
Hey, so we're dressed and off out to the bar for New Year's Eve. So happy New Year. Hope 2020 is good to you all. My thoughts are with Australia at the minute, and I hope that everyone in the fires gets some relief really soon, because it's just getting worse. So let's hope that the new year brings some good news from Australia. So
Absolutely.
we're going to go out and have a good party tonight, but my thoughts are with everyone back home. So happy New Year, and here's to a happy and healthy 2020. Happy New Year!